Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching new video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, and there is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, guests card, present photo ID, and check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Enjoy your stay. Several rules and offers are available for this property, along with various free plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Kind of problem in booking a room. If you have already checked out this property, share your experience. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.